Welcome to the Inventory Dashboard, an interactive Power BI solution designed to provide a centralized view of inventory across the organization. Built using data from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, this dashboard helps users monitor inventory levels, track stock availability, analyze warehouse usage, and make informed inventory management decisions through a single interface. The dashboard is built using customized data extracted from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. The primary data source is Inventory Management, Inquiries and Reports, On-Hand List. This source provides inventory information such as on-hand quantities, available quantities, ordered quantities, reserved quantities, and warehouse management attributes. By leveraging this data, the dashboard delivers accurate and up-to-date inventory insights across all selected companies and sites. At the top, users can filter data by item number, site ID, and company, allowing focused inventory analysis. The dashboard contains key inventory KPIs, detailed inventory tables, warehouse management insights, and visual trends that help users understand inventory performance across the organization. The KPI cards provide a quick summary of inventory status. These include total on-hand quantity, total available quantity, total on-order quantity, total reserved quantity, ordered in total, and actual ordered quantity. Additional tooltip functionality has been implemented to display calculation details when users hover over the reserved quantity and actual ordered quantity cards. These calculations are validated directly against Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations to ensure accuracy and consistency. The dashboard provides detailed inventory analysis through both tabular and graphical views. The inventory quantity table allows users to review item-level details, including on-hand, available, and on-order quantities, while the warehouse management table highlights whether items are managed through warehouse processes. The item-wise inventory status chart helps compare inventory positions across products, and the warehouse management usage chart provides a quick overview of inventory distribution based on warehouse process utilization. Together, these tables and charts provide a comprehensive view of inventory performance, enabling users to monitor stock levels, identify inventory patterns, improve inventory planning, and support more effective inventory management decisions. Overall, the inventory dashboard provides a centralized and interactive view of inventory across the organization. By combining key inventory KPIs, warehouse management insights, item-level analysis, and operational metrics, the dashboard enables users to monitor inventory effectively and make informed business decisions. Thank you for exploring the inventory dashboard. We hope this solution helps improve inventory visibility, streamline inventory monitoring, and support data-driven decision-making through the power of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations and Microsoft Power BI.